So we are headed to Paulie Tig's shop, the famous Instagram superstar himself. This guy had the lowest TIG one in the world at one point. Second lowest.
Yeah, okay.
So
Don't watch your mouth.
so we're heading over to, we're actually gonna do it at his house. And we're gonna do the coils, and what else? Is that it?
Maybe the intake.
Maybe the intake too. So we got an intake coming. It's actually here. It's a fake Freddy. A Freddy. We got Freddy with us. We're gonna try and make it work. If it doesn't work, then no, fuck it. We're gonna make it work.
Oh, you hear that noise? You know what that means?
Seatbelt?
Yeah, it means you ain't got no seatbelt on.
My bad, YouTube. Get off the brakes, guy. What are you doing? This car's got so much power. We're in like a 2017 or 18 GTI. Makes about, I don't know, probably 200 horse, right? 150?
240.
Ooh, thing's fast.
Faster than your junk Skyline.
You want to make a bet on that?
Yeah, you did get dusted last night. What do you got going on in here?
The water is, dude, because this pipe is for an R34, so it's actually,
Every time I hit it, something falls out.
they're washers every time. The one screwdriver. Good old hose clamps. Never treat you wrong. That says loose there.
It will loose.
Alright. This looks so much better with the new intake manifold. Alright, so the Wiring Specialties kit has two connectors on. I'm going to show you where these things go. So right here, you just unplug your igniter. That should come right off. And then the other plug, I don't actually know what it's for, but that one's the same deal. You just push it in, pop it off, and then that's all good. And you're good to remove the coil cover with the igniter on it and the harness and all the coils at that point. Good thing Brandon had 10mm, right?
I have 10mm.
I'm looking around.
Chris on 10mm. I should have brought all my tools.
All of them?
I hate doing shit like this.
What, half-assed tools? Yeah. Alright, so here's all the stuff we got from Wiring Specialties. So we talked about this before. This is the jumper harness to run the Neo ECU. And then we also got... Bro, those looked mint like a few months ago.
That's the point.
So, and then this is the adapter to run the smart coils. So...
Are these gonna fit with that cover?
Which way does it go? Other way, other way.
No, it goes like that.
That way? Or the other ones go
It doesn't
backwards?
fit this way.
Really?
They don't fit, period.
Yeah,
Go backwards.
They're not going down enough.
I think you gotta take that fucking whole contraption out.
Yeah, but then how are we gonna hold them down? Nothing?
I don't know.
What is the point of these?
They're just internal igniter.
Oh. So all you have to do is plug them in.
Yeah. Yeah, you gotta take this out, I think. I think that's key.
You wanna find the socket for that?
Yeah. Kinda like when shit goes wrong. It gives me actual shit to film. Oh my god, dude. We're just dripping. Huge problem. We got no screw holes for the coils to plug directly in. That shit doesn't fit at all.
I mean, we could just
Could.
put them on the spark plugs. So where does the new harness plug into? Right there?
Yeah, those two
Where the
connectors.
igniter was?
Yeah. Plug that bitch in. That just goes into those two. There we go.
And then
So the Wiring Specialties stuff looks good. It's the cross-fitting
3.
Nissan parts.
At the shop here. Other job is had it. It's also got this fucking. It's like a sun-shaped thing.
What kind of chair is this, man?
I don't know. I'm giving you those. This one I bought.
To be honest, lounge chairs are kind of expensive.
Yeah, this one's like $80. Yeah. But I was tired of fucking sitting down in a shitty chair at work when we had nothing to do.
You know hiding spots?
I do. Sometimes I just want to sit in my bed.
Oh. Night and day difference. Look how nice that looks now.
Yeah.
Not crusty yellow.
Introduced for my mom and shit.
Yeah.
She was a stupid one.
Runs much better. It runs way better.
That's just a smile that won't go away.
This piece of junk.
That's fucked up. You love this thing.
Let's talk about that.
Oh.
Look at the
Looks
smile.
good.
Look at the smile.
Hell yeah.
What?
That's it. Buy yourself one Jap car and you'll be smiling for life. Alright, so I guess this is where we stand. We did the coils. We did R34 coils, and we put new boots on it, and then we put the Wiring Specialties coil harness in that plug and play. So it works actually really well, and it seems to idle really well, even with the master disconnected. But now we gotta go to the next step, and I'm gonna probably put the coil cover back on. And then next up, I'll be putting in the Greddy intake manifold. It's actually a fake Greddy, but that's what I could find for a reasonable price. That's what I did. coils are just sitting there. There's no plate, so the Neo doesn't have a plate, and the Series 1 does. And these coils don't fit in the plate. So I either need Series 2 coils or Series 2 plate. If anybody knows the answer of which I need, shoot in a comment below. It'd be helpful because I'd like to have them mounted a little more solid. Right now, they just kind of wiggle around a little bit. So that's not awful. It seems like a lot of people have coils just sitting like that, but I would rather have them solid mounted. So if anybody knows the answer, again, throw it in the comments below. We did we did the coil harness, we did the coils, got it all back together. It's running good. Well, as good as it could for. Thank you. As good as it could run for now. Thank you again. For not having a mass air hooked up. All right. Paulie's giving me a shit ton of parts to.
You're supposed to talk to the camera.
Yo, hold on. Alright. So that wraps up the coil install. We're gonna go take it for a test drive now, even though it's getting late.
Yeah, you have to go to the airport.
Yeah, and I gotta be at the airport in a couple hours, so that'll probably be it for this video.